Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help how to study English app step by step. Open your app now and set a 15-minute daily goal to begin. Pick a single skill for this week, like listening or speaking, and choose short lessons that fit your routine. Turn on notifications and block a quiet time so practice becomes automatic. Small steps every day make progress feel achievable and keep motivation high. Start with active tasks that force output, not just passive review. Repeat sentences aloud and shadow dialogues to match pronunciation and rhythm. Type short responses or record quick voice notes to practice grammar and fluency under real conditions. Schedule spaced repetition reviews so new words reappear at optimal intervals. Mix short speaking bursts with focused review to turn recognition into usable language skills, keeping sessions lively and effective. Track your progress with simple metrics like minutes studied, lessons finished, and words learned. Celebrate small wins such as finishing 3 lessons or mastering 20 words each week. If you hit a plateau, slightly raise or lower difficulty to stay challenged but not frustrated. Review performance reports in the app and tweak your plan based on real data. Regular reflection keeps your study efficient and helps you stay committed over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.